Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sweet Dreams on piano. We'll start by finding the main melody's opening notes with your right hand. Then, we'll learn the simple chord progression for your left hand. Practicing each hand separately in small sections will build your confidence. Soon, you'll be combining both hands to play this iconic tune with ease. Let's dive into the right hand melody. Begin with the famous four-note opening phrase, focusing on its distinct rhythm. Use fingers 1, 2, 3, and 5 to ensure smooth transitions between notes. Remember to practice slowly at first, paying close attention to each note's accuracy. This careful approach will help you master the melody quickly. On another note, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a simple way to make your daily drive more pleasant. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's tackle the left-hand chords. You'll primarily use 4 basic chords: C minor, G major, A-flat major, and B-flat major. Play each of these as a simple root position triad. The key is to coordinate these chords smoothly with your right-hand melody. Practice switching between them until it feels natural and rhythmic. Bringing both hands together is the next step. Start at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your left and right hands. If you find a tricky spot, isolate that section and practice it repeatedly. Gradually increase your speed only when you feel comfortable and accurate. Patience is key to mastering this song.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.